Who's the
I like
most
that.
underrated receiver in the league?
He plays for you guys. 16.
Jakobi. He's nasty and he's a
nice.
dog.
Yeah.
He catches everything. 50-50 ball, anything in traffic, he's coming down with it. But his route running is underrated.
I like watching him
I
play.
wasn't aware of his game like that. Like he came in a joint practice. This is in 2022. He came over there and they're talking about Jakobi Meyers like this is their guy. But I'm like, all right, like I didn't know. Like I knew he was a good player, but I didn't know. Bro, he was hooping out there. Yeah. And then getting to see him in practice, some of his routes. Bro, he's a taller guy. Like he's not a small, short. Bro, he cuts on a dime.